Now this window was a fixed window, and the reason it was fixed is because the sashes had been put in on the actual original frame, which is there and there. So that's the old timber framing of the house, so we couldn't cut into that. So what we did is on the front we put the casing on one side of the timber frame, and that's now the pocket chamber, or sorry, the weight chamber for the top sash. And then when we came to the bottom sash, we had to weight it so that we had to weight it so it balances. So what we did is the rope goes up here, and normally this pulley here would face the other way, and there would be a chamber here for the weights. But what we've done is we've taken the weight up to the top there, we've brought it across, we've put that pulley on an angle, if you could see that angle, yeah, and then we've put another pulley here which allows the weight to slide down the original oak beams or oak frame. And so when we lift the window up, it all works beautifully. And of course, once we've finished, it will all slide to perfection.